Bharat, a land of vibrant colors, ancient traditions, and profound spirituality. In its heart, a secret lay dormant for centuries yoga. Its origins, shrouded in the mists of time, passed down through generations. Imagine a time before recorded history. Simple villages nestled in the foothills of Himalayas. Here, yoga was born, not as exercise, but as a way of life, a way to connect with something bigger. The ancient sages, the yogis observed nature. From these observations, yoga emerged. If yoga and its depth attract you, then this journey is for you. Subscribe to Yoga Biography and be a part of this incredible journey.